everybody, welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha. If you're here for the first time, my husband and I started this channel so we could document our journey to debt freedom, financial independence while building generational wealth. And we are budgeting, managing money, saving money, and getting out of debt. This video is going to reveal how much we saved in the month of March for March Madness money. Yeah. Okay, guys, don't laugh at my envelope because it is a little not fully together, but we're going to make it work, okay? So this was a free printable from Wander Print Creations. If you check RochelleAdamson.com, you will see the download for this is absolutely free. You can save it even for next year if it's still available. All right, so now we are going to count how much money we have saved up in the month of March. This again is the prop money. So it is not real money, but the real money is in my savings account, which I will show you on the screen as soon as we're done. So we're just going to separate the money first. I don't have cash right because I'm not, this is new to me. But let's count and see how much we have. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 20s. 90, 100, 110, 120. 125, 130, 135. 136, 137, 138. 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145. $145. Is that right? All right, let's check the account. 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 130, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145. Boom. All right. With $145 saved in the month of March for March Madness, we are going to throw this all towards my debt snowball. Yes, ma'am. We are putting $145 towards my debt, and I'm so excited because this is going to help us get this debt down even lower. March Madness was so much fun. I mean, just setting it up, the friends that I made online, all of my new internet cousins, shout out to y'all. You know who you are. I'm so grateful that I was able to participate. I'm glad. Thank you. Shout out to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth, and shout out to Tara Gay Nicole for inviting me and sending me the link. I'm so glad because I get to throw another snowball, and I got some new friends and internet cousins. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for rocking out with me as long as you did. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your life to its fullest. Bye for now.